welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how to fix a YouTube error 403 on your iPhone. So this type of error can be caused due to various reasons, some of which we are going to try to fix. So the first thing can be your internet not being able to work properly. So make sure that your internet is working properly. If your internet is working fine and you're still having this problem, the another thing could be your phone being in airplane mode. So make sure that your phone is also not in the airplane mode. If you have made sure these two are definitely not the problem, you can try to offload the app and then reinstall it. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is go to your settings and then tap on general. After tapping on general, tap on iPhone storage. And in here, you can now start searching for YouTube app. Here you can see the option of YouTube, tap on it, and then you can tap on offload app. So what this is going to do is uninstall your YouTube app completely from your phone's system. So tap on offload app, and then for the confirmation, tap on offload app one more time. And after that is done, come back to this setting again, and then there will be option of a reinstall app. Tap on it in order to reinstall your YouTube app, and then go check out your YouTube whether or not it's working. If it does not, you can try the another thing that could help you fix this problem. The another thing would be updating the app. So if your app is not up to date, this type of error can be awkward. So in order to update your app, what you're going to do is go to App Store. After going to your app stores, now tap on search icon and then search bar and start typing YouTube. After searching YouTube, here you can see this option. Tap on it. If you are not up to date, here you can see the option update. Simply just tap on it in order to update your YouTube app. Here you can see we have now successfully updated our YouTube app. So go back to the YouTube and check if it's working or not. If your YouTube is still showing the error and it's not fixed yet, the another thing could be that you are using some kind of VPN. If you are using some kind of VPN, make sure that you have disabled the VPN in order to use your YouTube. So if the VPN is not the problem, the last thing that you can do is reset your network settings. So in order to do that, go to your settings again. After going to your settings, what you're going to do is tap on general again, and then scroll all the way down, and here you will be able to see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and then you can tap on reset, and here you will be able to see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it, and then enter your passcode of your phone. And finally, you can tap on reset network settings in order to reset all of your network settings. After doing all of this, your YouTube should be working. And that is it. I hope all of that works out for you. If it does, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.